Okay, quick bike check video. Let's talk about it. So this is my Cooper. It's a single speed frame with horizontal dropouts. Cooper's the same company that makes the Mini Coopers out of England. It's a steel frame, chrome finish. Top tube is a 56 and seat tube is a 57. It's not completely stock. I got some Dura Ace wheels. Same in the back. Open Pro rims. Crankset. This is stock, but the chainring is a Shimano 53 tooth. Gear ratio is 53:17. The saddle is a San Marco. Handlebars are Nitto handlebars. I got this negative 35 degree stem. I just flipped it. Usually it's a regular 35. Swapped out the headset bearings. I ride clipless. I'm not a fan of straps. This is my saddlebag. I just got like an extra tube, a couple CO2 carts and a CO2 pump, some tire levers. Back tires are 25 mil. Ultra Sport. Front tires are 25 gator skin. And yeah, that's the bike. The gear ratio is pretty aggressive, so is the geometry, but I don't like spinning. When I'm going down hills, I don't really enjoy spinning, so I'd rather push a big gear ratio than spin down hills. As you can see, I definitely need some new handlebar tape. And my chain is definitely stretched, but it's in the middle of February right now. I'm not in a rush to get some new parts. And yeah, that's my track bike, so to speak. I do have a couple more bikes, so I'll be making some bike check videos on those. I'm just still getting parts and building them out.